Hey everyone, welcome to Module 6. I'm going to start off with my 2-minute pitch as usual. Um, the name of the store that I present is What's in That Box. It is within the blind box industry where people are selling boxes of toys, merchandise, or action figures from sponsors. And it has like an enhanced in-store and online experience through implementing modern technologies such as softwares or machines like claw machines. It has been a popular franchise and it's quick to evolve currently in the industry because of popular mainstream media and value proposition did not change since the start. The industry's main priority is still ultimately to satisfy its customers' desires and fulfill their needs for thrill of achieving certain characters or complete a set of collectibles from pop culture. This is just like an example of common consumer behaviorism that is often researched by questioning on what and how people spend disposable income. And those people who spend disposable income usually are targeted around the ages of 18 to 25 and that they have are they are in the working class and they're into pop culture. They like merchandises such as Disney, Marvel, or Funko Pops, and many more like that. So the target audience would probably mostly be young adults, but like I said, after talking to a couple of people, I think more people is going to be at that age group anyway, from 0 to however old you are, is what I'm trying to say. You can be however old you are. And then this week, we are talking more about the logistic sides of resources. Who are the people selling and how are we getting our money? Let's start with the first question of how many people. So, in the beginning of the stages, I was thinking of maybe like having around maybe like 5 to 10 people. We have the founders, including me, maybe one or two if I have partners, depending. And then we're gonna have an operations manager, maybe some social media manager, like for the marketing and everything. I think they can just be one person, and then we need someone for customer support, and we're definitely staff for the stores and the experience of the stores. Hardware or software that I need to buy, probably will need some barcode scanners, label print, anything that we might need inside the store. We would definitely need hardware. And I was also thinking of like machines, so we would need to find a way to get licensed to get those machines as well for the next question. And we have like softwares that must be implemented in the app or the website that I was planning to have for the online store to just build in a more relaxed and enhanced experience of getting that mystery toy. Again, like we're trying to be a little different and enhance that experience by implementing more mysterious elements in the store. So yes, we licensing is a big deal. So we definitely need license to brand merchandise such as Funko Pop, right? Like anime stuff, Naruto, Hello Kitty, Marvel, anything. We would definitely need some licensing to in order to get those characters, which will be our collaborators and sponsors, and we're gonna have to need to talk. Sorry. And if I am one day creating my own characters or series, then we would need to consider like getting a copyright or trademark filings for that brand. So, what is my expense model? There's some fixed costs and variable costs. The fixed cost would be rent. We'll have salaries, marketing, and advertising, software, and platform fees. So, a lot of that are more on the fixed costs, and the variable cost would something be like product procurement, which is like the bulk buying of blind box items. We would need to get them, which is their main cost really, outside of rent, which is the fixed cost. And we also have packaging materials because we would need that. We would need some shipping for those packaging as well. And there's going to be payment processing fees and stuff like that. Some key financial metrics for costs in my business model would be like cost of goods, COGS, which is cost of goods sold. We have gross margin. We would probably need some customer acquisition costs as well, which is the cost to gain one customer through marketing. And then we'll have break even point, and we'll have inventory turnover. And I'm pretty sure there's many more costs that will be on our financial metrics. These are just some that are key in terms of my business model. And um, what is the best location for my business? I have my online store, and for physical store, it would be, like I said, a retail location like malls, school, universities with people who are just constantly spending their disposables, and entertainment areas, urban areas with a large Gen Z or millennial population are pretty much ideal because that is what they're into. And like I need to remind everybody, like there was a toy who was recently bought for $1,000 more in an auction. So it's really pretty cool how this industry has grown. Um, yeah, and I think that would be it. So thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you guys next week, which is going to be our last. Thank you. Bye.